Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to cut unnecessary voices in your video on Capcut on your desktop. So let's begin the video. So the process is very simple. First of all, you need to open your desktop like Capcut on your desktop. After it, here is the import option. You will simply tap on the import, and here you will select your video which you want to add and cut the unnecessary sounds in your video. So we will tap and select the video which we want to add. So we will import it here, and you will simply tap and select it and drag to here at the last like this. So now it is good. So here is the plus option. You will simply tap on the timeline zone. Even you can press the control and plus bar on your keyboard, so it will be zoom in. So after zooming in, you will play the video.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video you will learn how to delete Google Photos. So let's begin the video.
So this is the voice recording which is on the video. You can see it. So from this you will simply
And if you haven't subscribed,
keyboard, like you will simply tap on C bar.
the channel, please subscribe the channel for more related.
And then you will select the cut option, and you will click on the C option. So if you want to add the you want to put the settings shortcuts of button, you can, here is the option of your keyboard like this. Here will be a cut option which we have converted into C. This is the player option, and these are the basic. So here is the control C option and control X option for cut. So you can set this accordingly you want to. So I have selected the C for cutting. So we will go back, and here is the option.
So
I will then
the video.
to tap on C, and I will tap on this video which we have cutted, and you will simply tap on delete option, and the unnecessary video or unnecessary sound video will be cutted from here. Then I will show
You will simply
So I have played the video right,
open your Google
and now I will press the C option for cutting.
Photos app in
And
your
now
mobile.
then for C for cutting, and then select, and here is the delete option. You will simply tap on delete. So this is the simple process of like cutting the unnecessary video parts on your video on CapCut. Like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.